In today's video, we will check out the new JBL Quantum 300 gaming headset. So let's test this out and see if it's worth it. So before getting to the video, if you want to find the best deals on these headphones, you can head to the first link down below in the description. So recently JBL launched their new Quantum gaming headphone series. This was the perfect time when they did because I just built my new workstation PC and it's hell of a beast. There will be a separate video on this, but today we have the Quantum 300. So let's do a quick unboxing and then we will start with the review. So here is the shipping packet from Amazon, and as it is not pretty looking package, so let's quickly unbox this and take out our retail packaging. So here are the boxes of the JBL Quantum 300 and 100. Now we already unboxed this in the last video, so let's put this aside. So here it is. The first thing we can see is the JBL logo up top. Sound is survival, and here is the image of the headphones itself, how they are supposed to look. Now here it says JBL Quantum Surround. For the compatibility, it will work with PC, Xbox, PlayStation, Nintendo Switch, mobile, Mac, and VR. So it will work with pretty much everything. Now this is also certified for Discord, which is good. Now getting to the side of the box, it says professional gamers approved and assist response accuracy. Don't know what that is. Now on the other side we have their tagline, which is dare to listen. On the back of the box we have some features of this device. It will work with Skype, Discord and TeamSpeak. It has 3.5mm jack and a USB audio adapter. Other features include JBL Quantum signature sound and 50mm driver, light and durable memory foam cushions, voice focus boom mic with flip up to mute, and all platform compatibility. So those were all the readings of the box, and now I can't wait to open these and see the headphones itself. So let's quickly unbox this. Ta-da! Here it is. First of all, we get a USB to 3.5mm jack audio cable or adapter, you can say. This is the thing that you should be using if you are playing games on your PC. And this will drastically improve the sound quality, as this device will not only extend the length of the cable, but it will also convert your digital sound to analog. So it's good that they have included this. Next thing, we have some user manuals and quick start guide on how to get started. But we are overconfident humans, so we don't need this, I guess. Last but not the least, we have our headphones, so let's take it out. Whoa, premium, huh? First impression is that they feel very premium and high quality, but let's remove this plastic sheet and suck all the watch time. The cushions and padding on the neckband feels soft. We have this flip up mic. So those were all the contents of the box, and now let's test them out and see how they perform. Starting with the design, JBL Quantum 300 are well-designed headphones. For color options, we have only black, but the overall feel of this device is very premium. We have various matte and glossy surfaces, a volume wheel at the back, nice cushioning at the ear cups, and padding on the headband. On each ear cup, we have JBL logo, and on the inside part, we have left and right labeling. Now it says on the website that the ear cups are detachable, but I wasn't able to take that off. So if you know how to do it, please let me know in the comments down below. We also have braided cable and angled 3.5mm jack. The headphones weighs around 245 grams, which is pretty lightweight when comparing with other gaming headphones. Most of these headphones weighs around 300 to 500 grams, so in that perspective these are almost feather-like. So all in all, the Quantum 300 feels very premium. I don't think you will feel like it's a cheap headphone. Build quality is also solid, way better than the Quantum 100. So if you get one, it should last with you for a long period of time. Now before pulling the trigger on any headphones or earphones, we have to make sure that it is comfortable and fits securely. So in that terms, JBL Quantum 300 outperforms. The ear cups and headband have memory foam, and they are so comfortable to wear. I can easily wear them if I was streaming on Twitch for like 6 hours, 5 to 6 hours, easily, no problem at all. Now the ear cups are also capable of swiveling, which means you can pack them into your backpack, but these doesn't fold like some other headphones you see on the market. The headphones are very secured fit as well, so if you swing your head too much while playing games, then these shouldn't fall down easily. Now on the features side, there is not much to it. First of all, it supports compatibility with multiple devices like PC, mobile, PlayStation, Xbox, Nintendo Switch, Mac and VR. So there is nothing you can't use this headphone with. Second of all, we have a huge upgrade from the JBL Quantum 200 is the support of the JBL Quantum Engine app, which is the native app for the PC. So from here you can enable surround sound, equalize the frequency and adjust the mic levels. Now frequency response can be adjusted from the third-party apps as well, but it is sweet to get all these settings in one place. Lastly, we have flip up mic to mute, so whenever you flip the mic up, it will automatically mute it. So those were all the features. Now speaking of the inline mic, the mic on this thing is fabulous. Your PUBG squad will definitely love you for this. They will definitely kiss you. But instead of talking, let me give you a quick audio test of this inline mic. Of the mic on these headphones, so this is what the person you are talking to will hear your voice. Now coming down to the crucial part of any audio device, which is the sound quality itself. So talking about that, for the driver size, we have 50mm driver, which is capable of producing 20 Hz to 20 kHz of frequency range, and in actual response, I will say the device produced phenomenal sound quality. The mids, the lows, highs, so good. Everything is well balanced out. By default they are pretty flat, but you can adjust the sound to bass boost, which I personally use from the Quantum Engine app. You can also turn on the surround sound and then you will get this surround sound, and then you will be able to easily identify the footsteps and your enemies. All in all, it makes the gaming to be an immersive experience. Unlike the Quantum 100, this produces that rumbling bass, so it makes you feel the sound of the blast and gunshot more real. And not just the gunshots, the headphones are very clear and they are so detailed in the high end, so vocals and dialogues are very pronounced on these. Now the headphones are also amazing in terms of isolation. It will block so much sound and you will only hear the sound of the game. Now I will say that you can also enjoy music on these. I've tried and I do enjoy listening to music on these headphones. So overall I would say they are amazing in terms of sound quality and I will recommend these to you. Now coming down to the price of these headphones, these are priced at 5,000 rupees or $80 on the Amazon.com, and by the way you can find the best deals from the links down below. So for the price, I will say that it will be a little bit on the expensive side for some, but if you consider the sound quality and everything you're getting here, it's totally worth it. Now if you want to save some, then you can also check out the Quantum 200, which is identical to this, but you don't get the Quantum Engine app support and the surround sound, but you will save 1,000 rupees there, so that's another option. So that's been it guys, that was today's video. Hope you guys found it helpful, and if you did, then you can click the like button below, share this video with your friends and subscribe to the channel if you haven't yet. Until then, stay safe, bye bye.